Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 305. And if we start with this box, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 6. We've got the 2 and 6 here, so this is our 4, 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row now, we're just missing a 3. For this row, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1, 2. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 2, 1 here, so 2, 3, and no help here, 1, 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got the 5 here, so 1, 8, 1, 8, and that means that our 5 for that column has to be here. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got the 2 here and the 3 here, so this is our 6. And no help here, so 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got 3 and 5 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help, so 3, 5, 3, 5. But that 1 makes this our 8, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. That 2 makes this our 1. And for this column now, we're just missing an 8. And with that 1, we can get rid of this 1. For this row, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 6. That 7 makes this our 9, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 5. I don't see any other help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 8. 4 here, so 3, 4. That 3 makes this our 5, 3. And that 3 makes this our 2, 3, 2. For this column now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this box, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. For this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. And to finish out this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1 and 5. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.